Somehow, against all odds, and against the judge's better judgment, they actually let us in. This is SlammedEnuff, an indoor upperclassman car show meant only for the cleanest and lowest builds. And Steamy somehow managed to sneak his contraption in. He fired the janitor to make the trip, which was really stupid considering the janitor was solely responsible for cleaning all his Death Star-sized oil leaks. We've equipped Steamy with the 360 camera, as well as a slew of other cameras, so that way we can see what he's doing and hear his thoughts. Dude, these cars make me sick. They don't even have one zip tie, and most of them don't leak oil. Wait, they don't need zip ties? I don't know why Steamy is talking right now. His car is literally held together from zip ties, eBay parts, and pure luck. And maybe slight desperation. We had a simple idea. Get Steamy close enough to the show cars so that he might blend in. It sort of worked. People were definitely looking, but we're not sure it was for good reasons. All these cars around him are not only worth way more, they're actually properly assembled. And don't gamble an explosion when they start up. And, by extension, their lives. Dude, carbon fiber hoods? They should be using cheap black vinyl. Everyone knows it's lighter. That was almost true, Steamy, but you've forgotten the vinyl covers the heavy metal hood. Again, I don't know why he's talking. These cars have show-quality interiors. He has a show-quality check engine light. 7 codes, actually. He might as well have a BMW at this point. After a long day, everyone's rolling out now. But we feared the Eclipse's cold start. It has a horrendous belt squeal that can be heard 3 zip codes away. It's Steamy's iconic racing sound. He thinks it causes people to be scared of racing him, but it actually boosts his opponent's confidence. But he says that isn't squealing, it's just intimidation. As he's leaving the show, 2 BMWs appear and cut him off. Steamy seemed to take that personally, and somehow, and we can't figure out how, he overtakes them at moped speed. It literally made a Prius look fast. We thought this would be the end of the show, but Steamy did win 1 award. Also, we were sent in this interesting video from a fellow event attendee, just as Steamy thought he was in the clear. A new challenger appeared. Wow. So this is what they let into SlammedEnuff? Seems like it's held together with zip ties and eBay. You think you could just come in here and park next to wide-body Z's and other slam cars? Oh no, no, no. Alright then, Steamy Ninja. Next time, it'll be me, Doug Despero, versus you. And you'll have to fight me in my Quirkmobile, and then I'll get to show you the true quirks and features of this car.